Welcome to English Flow Podcast. I'm Alex. For the next 5 minutes, you don't need to think, you don't need to analyze, and you don't need to be perfect. Just stay with me and speak when I speak. That's all. Let's begin.
Before we start, one thing. If you make a mistake, it's okay. If you feel slow, it's normal. If your pronunciation isn't clear, don't stop. Just continue. This practice works because you keep going. Now listen and speak with me.
I am speaking English now. Again. I am speaking English now. Good. I am practicing every day. Again. I am practicing every day. Nice. I don't need perfect English. I need practice. Good. Say it once more smoothly. I don't need perfect English. I need practice. Excellent. That was level 1.
Now don't stop between sentences. Just continue. I am learning English step by step, one day at a time. I feel calm when I speak. I feel focused when I listen. Good. Now all together. I am learning English step by step, one day at a time, and I feel calm and focused. Very good. You're doing well. Stay with me.
Now imagine your real life. Speak like it's happening now. I am at home. I am listening to English. I am practicing my speaking. Good. Again, without stopping. I am at home, listening to English, and practicing my speaking. Nice. Now slightly longer. I feel relaxed. I feel focused. I am improving. Good. That was level 2.
This part feels a little harder. That's good. Stay relaxed. Say everything with me. I wake up in the morning, and I start my day calmly. I take a breath, and I feel ready to begin. Good. Now once without stopping. I wake up in the morning. I take a breath, and I feel ready to begin. Excellent. If you're still here, you're doing great.
Now we slow down. These are simple thoughts. It is morning. The light is soft. I feel a little tired. I need some coffee. I am ready to start my day. Good. Now smoothly, as one flow. It is morning. The light is soft. I feel a little tired. I need some coffee. I am ready to start my day. Nice. Let it feel natural.
Now, listen carefully. Speaking English is a skill. Skills grow with practice. I don't need to rush. I learn at my own speed. Good. Now connect them. Speaking English is a skill, and I grow with practice. Again. Speaking English is a skill, and I grow with practice. Very good. That was level 3. Now a short conversation. Say it clearly. Hello, how are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. How is your day going? My day is calm and productive. Nice. Now together, a little faster. Hello, how are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. My day is calm and productive. Excellent. You're speaking more smoothly now.
Now speak about tomorrow. Tomorrow I will practice English again. I will listen and speak. I will stay patient. I will enjoy the process.
Good. Now, smoothly. Tomorrow, I will practice English again and enjoy the process. Very nice.
Now, slow down. I am calm. I am focused. I am learning. I am improving. You did well today. 10 minutes is enough when you practice this way. Come back tomorrow and do it again. I'm Alex. This is English Flow Podcast.